And the quick answer is yes, it is possible. And especially if someone is very close to us, like let's suppose someone in our family members or friend circle or a relative, if we have a stronger bond with them, our positive energy will definitely help and we can help them heal. And over the last 1 year, I have seen that many people have healed themselves and their family members as well. Because when we are connected with someone, our positive energy, our vibration has a connection with them. That's the relationship. So when we continuously send them blessings every single day, it has a positive impact. Now, only on the few cases, it may not work sometimes. It's like when the person is, let's suppose, extremely old or extreme cases of health issues where that person has given up. Because when that person has given up, yes, it's difficult to receive because you know the law of attraction, the law of you. If the person has already decided that it's not going to work for me, I'm not going to recover, then your vibration will not able to reach them. But if that person is also desiring that, oh, no matter what, I should be coming out of it, God do something for me so that I should recover. And that's when we send our vibration, positivity, blessings, then it will help them. And that's why I said in the previous question that how can we shift, like what should we do when we are stressful or anxious? Rather than staying stressful and anxious, feeling sad for other people, shift it to blessings. How can I heal at least those people who are sick? How can I send my blessings? And that will shift in every way. Like so many people in our tribe could able to heal their parents, even not just during COVID. There are people like who are like their close family members were going through cancer or some severe health issues, and they could able to use it consistently over the months, and they could able to heal themselves.
Wow, that's beautiful and miraculous, really.
Yes.
I think some people also, Ajay, this is something very important that we have to mention. Isn't it stupid to completely depend on somebody else healing another person, instead of actually taking help that requires? Because at the end of the day, that there's science that proves that medication and all of that is important. Some people, what they'll do is, let's not medicate them, let's not give them the kind of help that they need, we'll just send them healing vibes. So that is something that we have to address, because some people will
absolutely.
So can you just talk about that?
Yes, absolutely. Because I'm not of course I help people and guided people in healing themselves or healing others, but at the same time it's a very clear thing that I want everyone to understand that just doing this spiritual healing is not enough in most cases. So it's always important to take all the medical advice, medical healing, treatment. And that's why, because we need to work on the two sides, the body and the mind side. And that's when it works faster.
Yes.
And even recently I have done an interview with one of our tribe members. She's a doctor in UK, Dr. Tripti. And she, being a doctor, being a frontline COVID worker, she has done this research and she has shared in the video. That video is on YouTube. Anyone can watch the conversation where she has shared this thing. Like when patients were going through the treatment and having all the medication and all, along with that, when they do visualization or meditation or affirmation, their healing become faster. But like only relying on the mind is not enough, because sometimes the body is in an extreme state. So I always advise that, like for someone, if someone met an accident, so you have to go to the doctor. We have to work on all front. So doctor, treatment, medication, everything should be there. But along with that, when we take care of the healing, we take blessings from other people start sending healing vibes, we do meditation, affirmation, gratitude, then it start working faster and miraculously. That's the best thing.
Yeah. Thank you for addressing that, AJ.